Hello students, good morning everyone. Today I am going to teach you 1 marks from Auli Supplementary. Last week, for past 2 weeks, we learned about Auli Supplementary and I also explained you using mind map. Is it? So today I am going to take book back exercise for you. Please concentrate and study well children. I hope you remembered Auli Supplementary, is it? Okay students, just a recap of Auli Supplementary now. Shifoli Didi brings a small owlet and they named it as Auli. Usually owls are night birds and sleep during the daytime only and active in night time. Payal and her mom shifted cage to the library. Payal put a piece of meat and left the cage open. I hope this will be very clear to you. And now we are moving to book back exercise. First we are going to see who is the author for Auli Supplementary. Author for Auli Supplementary is Vijaya Ghosh. I underlined it. See here, Vijaya Ghosh. Vijayaghosh. Vijaya Ghosh is the author of Auli Supplementary. And now we are going to learn about choose the correct answers. Please concentrate and study well children. B. Choose the correct answer from the options given. This is your book back exercise. Now we move on to first choose. The owlet was dash. The owlet was in which color? Did you recap it? Yeah, very good. Brown and grey in color. That's what. The owlet was brown and grey. And second one, now we move on to second choose the correct answer. In Payal's family, they were all dash. All are non-veg or vegetarian? Yeah, very good. In Payal's family, they were all are vegetarian. Third one, now we move on to third choose the correct answer. The cage was shifted to the dash. Where the owl's cage was shifted, did you remember it? Yes, very good. The cage was shifted to the library. Library is the correct answer. I hope this is very clear to you. So far you learnt choose the correct answer from Auli Supplementary. Is it children? Okay, good. And now I am going to teach you another exercise from the book bag also. So concentrate and do it well children. Come, let's move on to another one. Find their group names and write them in the blanks. One is done for you. They gave you some animal names and you are going to identify the group names. One has been done for you. First one, they gave you some examples. Example is elephant, tiger, lion, monkey. They all belongs to land animal groups because they survive in the land. So others you are going to identify now. I gave you the answers. Please concentrate children. Eel, seal, walrus, sea horse. These are sea animals. Pearl, coral, corns, oil. These are marine products. Marine products means we get it from sea. Third one is submarine, ship, yachts, ferry. They are marine transports. Marine transports means sea transports. Submarine ship. Where does the ship is in? The ship is in beach. So these are called as marine transports. And now we move on to fourth one. Fourth one is kite surfing, scuba diving and parasailing. These are called as water sports. And we move on to fifth one. Fifth one is albatross, penguin, pelican and fish hawk. These are called as seabirds. I hope this is very clear to you children. These are the group names for the given words. First one they gave you as some sea animal names. So first one answer is sea animal, and second one answer is marine products, and third one is marine transports, and then fourth one is water sports, and fifth one is sea birds. These are the group names given in your book bag exercise, children. Children, I hope you clearly understood 1 marks and also this exercise from your book bag. So now it's time for your assignments. And now
you are going to write one word test. We discussed how will supplementary one words in this video, is it? I revised you one more time. So now you are going to write your test. Children, please do support and please do response. Your response will be considered for FA marks. Please write your test and submit it as soon as possible in Google Classroom. Okay, children? I hope you clearly understood. If you have any doubt, please clarify with me. Thank you, children.